Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the vibrant world of the Tetra Bubbling LED Aquarium Kit, a 1-gallon hexagon-shaped marvel perfect for your Betta fish. This modern aquarium kit not only boasts a unique hexagonal design but also features a mesmerizing color-changing LED light disc that cycles through a rainbow of colors, creating a stunning visual display. Equipped with an air pump-driven Tetra Whisper internal power filter, this kit ensures your aquatic friends enjoy a clean and healthy environment. The air pump efficiently powers both the bubbling disc and the filter, making maintenance a breeze. Plus, the clear canopy includes a convenient feeding hole, allowing you to easily care for your fish. Designed for all life stages, this aquarium kit combines functionality with aesthetic appeal, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and seasoned fish enthusiasts. Dive into a world of color and tranquility with the Tetra Bubbling LED Aquarium Kit, and transform your space into an aquatic paradise. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.